morning students. In the previous session we have started practice set 45. In that we have completed question number 1 and question number 2. Once again we will see the formulas to find out area. Area of square. What is the formula to find out area of square? Area of square is equal to side multiplied by side, or you can write it as side square. And area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth, that is L into B. L means length and B means breadth. And area is measured in square meter, square centimeter, square kilometer, etc. So these are the unit for area. Square meter, or you can write down meter square, square centimeter, centimeter square. Okay, and these are the formulas to use we are using to find out area of square and area of rectangle. Now we'll start with the third sum from practice set 45. Question number 1 and question number 2 we have completed in the previous session. Now this is question number 3. The area of rectangle is 102 square centimeter. If its length is 17 centimeter, what is its perimeter? Now what is given? The area of rectangle is given and the length of rectangle is given. So first we will find out breadth of the rectangle. Okay, then only we can find perimeter. Okay, in the question they are asked to find perimeter. So for this first we will find out breadth of a rectangle. If length is given and area is given, then we will use the formula as you can see here in the solution. The first one, the area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Yes, what is the formula to find out area of rectangle? L into B, that is length multiplied by breadth. Now what is the area of rectangle? That is given 102 square centimeter. So we will write down 102. 102 is equal to length is 17 and breadth is not given, that we will find out. So we will write down breadth as it is. Okay. Now breadth we have to find out, so we will write it here. Breadth is equal to, now this 17 it will go here this side, so it becomes divide. Okay, so 102 divided by 17. Now 102 divided by 17. 17 ones are 17, 17 6 are 102, 102. So we will cancel this. 102 divided by 17, the answer is 6. Okay, 17 6 are 102, 102. So what is the breadth? Breadth is equal to 6 centimeter. Therefore the breadth of the rectangle is 6 centimeter. But in the question they are asked to find perimeter. Okay, so we know the formula to find out perimeter of a rectangle, right? So we will use the formula to find out perimeter. Okay, I hope we are clear till here. Once again we will see all the steps. In the question, the length of a rectangle is given and its area is given. So first we will find out breadth of a rectangle. In the solution, first we will write down the area of rectangle formula, that is length multiplied by breadth. Area is given 102. So 102 is equal to length is 17 multiplied by breadth. Breadth is not given, that we will write down as it is. So breadth is equal to this 17, it will go here, so it becomes divide. 102 divided by 17. So 17 ones are 17, 17 6 are 102. So what is the answer? Breadth is equal to 6 centimeter and unit is centimeter. So 6 centimeter. Therefore the breadth of a rectangle is 6 centimeter. Now in the question we have to find out what is its perimeter. So next step is, okay, now we will find out the perimeter of rectangle. I hope all of you are knowing the formula to find out perimeter of rectangle. What is the formula? 2 multiply by, in bracket, length plus breadth. L plus B means length plus breadth, or you can use the formula 2 into length plus 2 into breadth. Okay, either you will write down that formula 2 multiply by length plus 2 multiply by breadth, or you can write the formula 2 outside the bracket, inside the bracket, length plus breadth. Okay, bracket complete. Now we will put the values 2 outside the bracket. What is the length? Length is given in the question, that is 17. And what is the breadth? Breadth we got it as 6 centimeters. So 17 plus 6. L plus B, length plus breadth. Length is 17 and breadth is 6. So 17 plus 6. Now 17 plus 6, answer is 23. So outside the bracket 2 and here in the bracket 23. So 2 and in the bracket 23 means what? 2 multiplied by 23. So 23 2s are, yes, 46. So what is the perimeter? Perimeter of a rectangle is 46 centimeter. Okay, so the final statement is therefore the perimeter of the rectangle is 46 centimeter. Okay, I hope we are clear with this sum. Question number 3. In question number 3, the area of rectangle is given and its length is given. First we will find out breadth of a rectangle using the formula area of rectangle. Then we will get breadth of a rectangle, right? Now we will find the perimeter of a rectangle. What is the formula to find out perimeter of a rectangle? 2 outside the bracket, inside the bracket, L plus B, length plus breadth. 2 multiply by in bracket length plus breadth. So 2 multiply by length is 17 and breadth we got as 6 centimeters. So 17 plus 6. 17 plus 6 is 23. In bracket 23 and outside the bracket there is 2. Yes, it is there in the formula, 2 multiply by. So 2 in bracket 23 means 2 multiply by 23. So 2 multiply by 23 is 46. Okay, and the unit is centimeter. Therefore the perimeter of the rectangle is 46 centimeter. Okay, I hope you are clear with this third sum. Now we'll start with the next sum, that is question number 4. Okay, so this is question number 4. If the side of a square is tripled, how many times will its area be as compared to the area of the original square? So if the side of a square is tripled, then how many times will its area be as compared to the area of the original square? So first what we will do? First we'll find out area of the original square and then we will find out area of the new square. Then we can compare these two areas. Okay. So in the solution, first let the side of the original square be a centimeter. So we will consider it as a centimeter. What is a? Side of the original square. Okay. So what is its area? Then its area is equal to, what is the formula to find out area of square? Side square, right? Side multiply by side. So if the side is a centimeter, then what is its area? A multiply by a, that is a square. Okay, so this is the area of the original square, that is a square. Now the side of the new square is 3a. Why 3a? Because in the question it is given if the side of a square is tripled. Triple means how many times? 3 times. Double means 2 times. Now it is given tripled means 3 times. So if the side of the original square is a, then if it is tripled means what is the side of the new square now? 3a. Yes, why 3a? Because it is tripled. So firstly it was a centimeter. Now it is tripled means 3 times. So 3a. Now the side of the new square is 3a. So we will find out area of this new square. So what is the formula? The area of the new square is equal to, again the formula is same, that is side square. Side is what? 3a. So 3a square. Okay. So till now what we did? First we will find out the area of the original square. So we will consider area side of the original square is a centimeter. So what is its area? A square, right? So area of the original square is a square, right? Now side of the new square is 3a. Tripled it is. Firstly it was a. Then if it is tripled means 3a. Now we will find out area of this new square. So area of the new square is equal to side square means 3a square. Now what is the answer? 3a square means, see here, 3a square means the answer is 9a square. What is square of 3a? That is 9a square. Okay. So this is what the area of the new square, right? area of the original square was a square, right? And area of the new square we got it as 9a square. Now we will compare this both the areas. Area of the original square was a square and area of the new square was 9a square. Okay. Therefore, the area of the new square is 9 times the area of the original square. As you can see here, the area of the original square was a square and area of the new square is what? 9a square, means it is 9 times. Okay, therefore the area of the new square is 9 times the area of the original square. Okay, if the side is triple, then the area is 9 times the area of the original square. Why? Because the area of the original square was a square and area of the new square is what? 9a square, means it is 9 times. Okay, if the side is triple, then the area is 9 times the area of the original square. Okay, hope you are clear with this sum. So here we have completed practice set 45. I hope you are clear with all the questions. So which two formulas we have seen today? Area of square and area of rectangle. Yes, what is the formula to find out area of square? Area of square is equal to side square, or you can write it as side multiplied by side. And what is the formula to find out area of rectangle? Area of rectangle is equal to length multiplied by breadth, or you can write it as L into B. L means length and B means breadth. Okay, I hope you are clear with all the questions. So today we'll stop till here. In the next session we will start with the next concept. Thank you so much.